Into the snow. I can't even see that far. Starbucks is closed. I hope that meant yesterday that they closed. Man. This is, wow, I've never been in snow like this before. Building. I don't think the 7-Eleven's open. Find out later. Alright, I have to walk probably maybe another 100 yards to get to my friend's place. This shovel's pretty well shoveled though. Ah, man. That wind. Oh my god. At least they shoveled. But it might be like, I don't know. Yeah, I've never seen snow like this. This is like, it's letting up now too. It's blowing snow. Snow looks pretty dry to me. So it's probably not gonna, it's gonna blow over the place. Drifts. It's gonna be open on Monday? I don't think so. Cars parked. Yeah. Ah, there's a bit of salt down here. Oh, this is nice, and I don't have to worry about these shoes. God. Whoops, slipped a little bit there. That's okay. I got it all under control. Slipped again. Yeah. I don't know why I'm gonna go sliding this crap. These probably closed too. I wish I had a yardstick or something. Yardstick may not be enough for this though. This is like coming up to my waist. Never seen it like this. It's really bad. Yeah, I can't even listen to that. The stoplights are working at least. The people out about here. I still prefer, I don't like the Snowzilla one, the name of the storm. Should have been fucking, oh my god. No, can't get in today. Got a little path here. Nope. This is stupid to do in the first place too. Oh my god. The city's gonna be shut down until at least Tuesday. Look at this. Still coming down. Good god. Windy. Almost there. Just a little further. God. Whew. I thought running the treadmill today was a lot of work. Whew. Alright. That's smooth sailing. We're almost at the building. Alright. Battery's getting low. Hopefully it'll get me to the building. There's a Hummer down there. People were just walking in the street, really. You know, because there's nowhere to go. I'm surprised the street's even that clear though. We're moving snow all the way. And alright, we're almost there. Just a few more feet, a few more steps. And feel bad for that guy who was there parking. Alright, made it. Gotcha. Where do you have to go tomorrow?
To work.
Oh, shit.
That sucks.
It does.
Good luck with that.
Oh, thank you. Have a good night, guys.
Yeah.
Have a good night.
No.
We'll try to. But we will. Thank you.
Heads up. Car coming down this way.
I'm just gonna keep walking this way up the street. And I'll make it home. You guys have a good night. I gotta make it home, so. I might have drank a little bit, but I'll make it. I'll text you guys when I get there, alright? So you know I made it. If you don't get a text in half an hour, come looking for me. It's not very far to search though. Yeah. Alright, I am, well, this is like not focusing at all. Alright, well, if it focuses, there it goes. It's like, I have to walk in the street, and this is like the worst I've ever seen the snow. I can't even see the concrete for the street. Well, I'm supposed to go when I get to my apartment building. Car's coming, I have to get over. Oh no, not again. Still walking up the road. I'll never get to experience this again, to be honest with you. So I'm trying to make the most of it. I'm hungry though. I ran too many miles on the treadmill. Everything's closed. I'm almost home. Just gotta keep walking. Car's coming up. But he's booking it for this weather. But he's gotta have that momentum to go up that hill, so he knows how to drive in the weather. Well, there's the entrance to my building. Let's do this. It's gonna suck. Oh my god. It's packing though. No, it's not. Oh my god. Look at that. That is deep as fuck. Alright. We made it. We made it. Thanks for watching the video on YouTube, everybody. If I put it there, have a good blizzard.